Superman straight across in front of it. Can't wait to get on that train. If we go in front of it, will it stop?
If you put your thumb out, it will stop, yeah, but only by request.
Longest train in the world, that is. It just goes on and 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 on. Brace it, Tony. Get in front of it. Get in front of it.
Look at that.
That's fantastic. Eat the train. Eat the train.
Done.
Look at it. It goes on for miles. Literally miles it goes on for. Can't wait to get on that. Oh, we got to go that way.
Are we going that way anyway?
Yeah, he's waving at us. So he's sat by the train. Is it stopping? Are we getting on that?
I don't know. I doubt it.
Now, we're getting on it tomorrow. Go on, Tony, jump the train tracks. Watch out for the front on the left. Zed. Whee! Let's go see. I want to kick the train. Well, this is what we've come for, the train. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. We're going to be on it tomorrow, we're riding it. But today we're just looking at it. How cool is that? Look at it, it goes on forever. Stop the train, Dave, stop it. Get the train.
Oh, stop! Be careful!
Hey, how to a grasshopper. That's fantastic. It's monstrous. Chin chin. Oh yeah, thank you very much. That's very kind of you. Cheers. Cheers, my dear. Thank you. Thank you, my man. So cool to see that train. In the flesh.
So cute.
Up close. It's so cute. Yeah. It's arousing.
That's pretty cool.
That's a good one. Jump it. Hey. Nice and done. Getting boggy. Lovely, isn't it? It's great.
I absolutely love this.
It is fantastic.
This is amazing.
About the best thing you can do.
It is, isn't it?
It doesn't seem, you just keep changing, doesn't it? Every 10 minutes, 20 minutes is all the...
Railway line's still there.
Yeah, so that's the train. You've ruined their cinematic experience by pushing in front. That's not the longest train in the world. They're adding a few more carriages to what is the longest train in the world, so they've just ordered up another 15, 20 carriages to go on it. Honk, 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 give me a beep. Give me a beep. Yeah, look at that. It's a funky old train. We could put our cars on that, if we had to.
It'd be nice if it took them out though, wouldn't it?
Look, they put a combine harvester on it or something. What the hell is
What is
that?
that? That is
It's a
weird.
praying mantis. What the hell is that?
That is weird.
I don't know what that is. Great to have a rear wheel drive, like really powerful buggy thing that would just skip across and pull wheelies.
Yeah.
that's where we're staying tonight. A few options. We're sleeping in those little things once they've finished vacuuming, obviously.
Sir, why do you want to coca? How many coke for 15?
Hello.
15. Coca. Coke.
Jack Daniels.
What do you like?
Dad, what is this meat?
Chicken is not meat.
No, bloody camel.
Not meat.
Not meat. Chicken. Okay, fair enough. We got butt. You're on the salt. Chuck over your shoulder.
Also me, look at my ear.
It's a weird place we're staying in tonight. Oh my god. It's like the bathroom, which is that. And it's actually bigger than the weird hut thing we're staying in, which is this. Reminds me of the old carnage tents we stayed in South Africa when we filmed that. Yes, this is where we're still sleeping tonight, in this little mud hut. It's a bit weird. There we go. It's actually made of straw and stuff. Cloth door. Where is he?
Oh, there.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, they're fucking flicking at me. Cheers, bud. Pick him up. Yeah, that would have been fun in the night, wouldn't it? Stalking right under your bed. Right,